channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a very different thing. So by the title you have already known, I am going to share how I cut my own hair. So giving you a little backstory, I have been cutting my hair since I think 4 or 5 years now. Not all the time. When I went from a long hair to short hair, that time I went to the salon, but after that the trimming and stuff and a little bit of layering I can do it by myself. So I will share it how I do it by myself. And a little bit disclaimer before starting off this video is I am not at all a hairdresser. I have never been trained on hair cutting or anything which I show in this channel. Everything I show in this video and also in this channel are all self-taught. So yeah, if you plan to do at your own risk. That's all I can say. Without wasting any further time, let's get started with video. So yeah, you can see this is the length of my hair currently. So I have wavy hair. I like to keep it straight, not like completely pokey straight. Just I need to just run through my hair once I wash my hair. So I straighten my hair once a week. My hair slowly it gets like into its own form, it gets its own wave. So I have washed my hair yesterday and straightened it also. I'm just going to show you how I get rid of the split ends, because currently I have a lot of split ends. And also I'll do a little bit of bangs which I'll show you, and also I'm thinking to get a little bit of layer in the front section. I just hope that this video turns out to be well and I don't mess this up, and if I even mess it up, you all can enjoy. I hope so. Few tips I want to provide you is you can do it in your washroom. In my washroom, the mirror and the placing is not so good, so I prefer doing it in my own room only. Wear a home cloth. I'm wearing my pajama dress, night sleeping thingy, so that I don't ruin my good clothes. And things that you need while cutting your own hair is few hair clips and hair ties and a scissor. This is like specially hair cutting scissors which I got from a local store, beauty store. You'll get it I think for 200, 250, 150. This is like a very good quality. I'm using it for like many years now and it's working pretty well. And the last thing which I need is a comb. This is a rat tail comb for the precise parting and all. And the last thing you need will be a newspaper. So now let's get started with our process of hair cutting. What I'll do is first I'll just section my hair. Into two, and I'll just take another section from the ears, above the ears, from here, and I'll just clip it up. Now I have this 2 chunk of hairs to work with right now. So for this bottom part, I'm just going to get rid of the split ends. I'm not going to reduce any length. So I'll just take few techniques I learned from Samville. He's a hairdresser, very renowned hairdresser, and he has a YouTube channel where he shares his techniques. So I'll link his YouTube channel if you want to check his techniques out. So I have been using his technique mostly for cutting my bangs for a really long time. Okay, now I'll just take this section and I'll just point cut at the ends. It will get rid of my length a little bit, not too much. I'm a bit scared though. I have never done anything like this on camera. So I'll just go like this and get rid of the split ends. So if you do point cutting, your hair will not look a straight line. It will have a little bit of texture and it will look nice. So just take your scissor and your hair parallel and just go ahead and give little strokes. So you can see how it looks so nice and have a little bit of texture. It's not like a straight line. And one more thing you can do for cutting your split ends is just twist your hair and your split ends will come at the ends and you can just go ahead and cut it. So my split ends are not that bad, so I just did like that and it works for me. You can see the split ends. I don't think you can see this camera. Now we'll go to the next section and repeat the same process. You can see both the sides looks of the same length. So yeah, we are done with this bottom section. Now we will just section our crown part and keep it aside. So for crown part, again you have to take the measurement from your ear. So from here to your ear, you can see there is not much length difference. It's almost of the same length. So I'll just go ahead and take the chunk, take little bit of chunk at a time and just go ahead and do the same point cutting. So this is our trimmed part. See, it looks even, completely even. Now we'll go ahead and repeat the same process in this side. This is our two side. Now we will go ahead and do our front layer. Just take out all the hair from the back of your ears and again we will part it till our ears and rest of it we will clip it back. Now we have these two sections to work with. So what we will do is, for the front section I'll show you later. For this part, first we will decide from where we want our layer to start. So I want it from here because my bangs will be till my mouth or till here. So I want my layers to be from here. So what I'll do, I'll take my scissor. Now we will keep our scissor in an angular position and start putting small strokes. So like this. So we got a beautiful layer. You see how pretty it looks? So this is our layer. Now I will do the same for the other side, but the other side can be a little tricky. So what you can do is just put your hand like this and measure your size and then flip it once. Now those hair which will come in front will come to your side, your good side, and now you can cut your hair. Again in an angular position and we'll start giving small strokes. So see how even it looks. As my hair is completely straight and black, you might not be able to see the layers. So yeah, you can see, I think I'll try to show you the layers a little bit. Yeah. Now I'll show you how you can do your bangs. So for that, what you need to do is just measure this point from the arch of your eyebrows and just make a triangle, like a triangle section. Don't make it too big. So this is our triangular section. Now you need to measure how much length you want to keep for your bangs. So always remember, keep a little extra, because if you mess up, you can level it for the length you want to keep it. So I want it till my lips maybe, so I'll just keep it till my bottom lips and just start cutting it out. So for cutting your bangs from the sample video, what I learned is you need to place your fingers till the measurement or till the point you want the length to be, then twist it. Then I have the hair which I need to cut, because then it will give a ulta U shape. So I'll just cut it. Now again we'll go ahead and point cut and get our measurements correct. So yeah, this is the final result of our haircut. Do let me know if you like it, and if you try it in your home by any chance at your own risk, then do send me pictures, DM me in my Instagram. My Instagram handle is this. And also, yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if it was helpful for you in any way, if you just have enjoyed it. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I love you all so much. I will be back next week with another video. Till then, don't forget to spread happiness and be loved. Bye bye.